Hello everyone, in today's assembly we'll be talking about Safer Internet Day. There'll be some chances in this assembly for you to share your ideas with the person sitting next to you. When I ring this bell, I'd like us all to come back together. Give me a thumbs up if you understand. The first question I'd like you to discuss is, what do you think Safer Internet Day is all about? This year's theme is one to talk about it. Safer Internet Day is held every February all around the world. Last year, over 170 different countries celebrated today, including us. Safer Internet Day is a chance to think about any worries we might have about using technology and the internet. But it is also about celebrating all the fantastic things technology can help us with. Last year, over half the children in the UK heard about or joined in with Safer Internet Day. Can anyone remember what we did in school?
Puffins learn all about how to respond to unkind messages. Toucans, give me a thumbs up if you remember. Bluebirds learn all about copyright and consent. Robins, give me a thumbs up if you remember.
Robins learn all about how to sensibly limit their screen time. Kestrels, give me a thumbs up if you remember.
And it's not just schools who join in with the day, lots of other people get involved too, including the government, lots of charities, sports clubs, and even the games and companies. By participating in this assembly, you're joining thousands of others in marking the day.
We want this year's Safer Internet Day to be the biggest and best celebration yet. It's so important to recognise all of the exciting and amazing things we can do online. Maybe you like to play games or chat with your friends, or you could use the internet to learn new things, or maybe you just love watching videos. What's your favourite thing to do online? Talk to your partner and stuff on the bed. Jacob?
Although there are lots of incredible things to do online, the internet isn't perfect and sometimes people use it in ways that are not safe, kind or responsible. Maybe you or your friends have seen things go wrong online. Safer Internet Day is a good chance to think about online issues and what we can all do to make the internet a safer place. What online issues have you seen or heard about? Sometimes we might see something scary or something inappropriate for our age. Sometimes the internet can have things on there that aren't true. This is called fake news. We learned about online bullying during Anti-Bullying Week. Can anyone remember what they would do if they thought they were being bullied online? Elias.
They would go to a trusted adult.
Yes, an online scam is a type of crime where someone tries to trick you into believing in something or take something away from you.
It's really important that all children and young people like you get to share their opinions and experiences of going online, the good and the bad. That's why this year's theme for Safer Internet Day is one to talk about it. We need to make time and space for conversations about life online.
Because talking and communicating about anything can help in lots of ways.
Communicating with each other can all help us work better together, whether that's speaking, using sign language, writing down someone on note, or whatever method you use. You probably already spend lots of your time chatting with different people in your life. What benefits or good reasons can you think of for talking to other people? Share some ideas with your partner, but don't forget to stop on the bells.
any of these with your partner. It's a way to connect and bond with other people. It's a chance to learn new things and ask questions. It's a way to share information and ideas. You can get help and think along. It's fun. All of these reasons and more show that communicating is not only important but can make our lives better too. It's especially important if you ever have a worry or concern. Telling someone can help you feel better and means you're not on your own. Together you can work out what to do next.
Chatting with your friends about what you all enjoy doing online can be great fun and a lovely way to make your friendship stronger. You can have these kind of conversations with the adults you know and trust too. Talk to your parents, carers, teachers and any other adult who looks after you and tell them about your favourite things to do online. Or tell them about your top online safety tips to see what they think. The more we talk about the things we see and do online, the easier it is for all of us to support each other. It also means that if something does ever go wrong, it's even easier to find someone to help. Who do you have in your life you could talk to about going online? Tell the person next to you now.
Getting help. Miss Butterworth is our head teacher. Mr. Lowe is our computing teacher and Miss Williams is our deputy head teacher. Here at Bells Farm, part of our jobs is making sure you feel safe and happy online, not only in your life but also your online life. You can always share any of your worries or any thoughts with us, anytime and anywhere. You can always find us, one of us, in the IT Media Centre at lunchtime.
Our challenge to you, talk about it. So this Safe Internet Day we have a special challenge for everyone in this room. We challenge you to talk about it. Talk to your friends, talk to the adults you know and trust. Tell them about funny things you see online or your favourite game or app to use. Tell them about the latest trends or your favourite videos or the trick to beating your favourite level in a game. Tell them about the things that frustrate you or the things that make you laugh out loud. Tell them about how you think they can best support you in your online life. Most importantly, tell them if something is worrying you. It's never too late to share an online problem and get help and support that can make things better.
And we're really impressed with the standard of the entries.
You all worked really hard on them and they were all full of useful advice. No entries will go to waste and we're going to laminate them all and put them up around the school.
It was extremely hard to choose the winner because the quality was so good. We chose 4 runner-ups who we will announce first. Well done to Kinder in Year 5. Well done to Borden in Year 2. Well done, Easton in Year 5. Well done, Lexi in Year 6.
And the overall winner is, drumroll please, Amaya Year 6.
Thank you again to everyone who entered. Please look around the school to see your wonderful posters on display.
Fantastic. Well done.